Hey everybody, what's up? I'm Faded Tyrael. I'm just here to give a quick tour and a guide if you're ever thinking of trying salvaging in Star Citizen. Let's get going. On the rear side of the ship are two access panels to the ramp. This leads to the cargo bay and refinery. On the left side is a ladder that leads directly to the cockpit, if you ever need to get in and out quickly without going through the cargo bay. On our right side of the ship, we have our bathroom and our bedroom. On the left side, we have our component compartments and some weapon storage and our way down to the cargo bay. The cargo bay has 12 grid slots for SCU with a stuffed capacity of 26 SCU. Access panels for the ramp are on the left and right side, and the refinery is located right here. More on that up ahead. Now we want to try and find debris. What you want to do is you want to head to an asteroid belt and start scanning around, using your mouse wheel scrolling up and down to go from 90% to 5%, 90% being a wide range and 5% being a fine-tuned scan. Sometimes you'll come upon scans that have asteroids like this. That's okay, we move on. Luck of the draw is you would just turn to your left, scan that other unknown object behind you, and there you go. A whole cluster of goodies. Now, salvaging is real easy, just a simple point and shoot process. By clicking in your mouse wheel, the salvage arms deploy, and then click the left mouse button to activate them. Get up nice and close for accuracy, and slowly work the beams back and forth along the surface of the debris until no more can be salvaged. You can scrape close to 6 SCU from these larger panels. These triangular ones about 2 SCU, and a half an SCU from these smaller panels. Eventually your refinery storage will be full and it's time to convert your salvage into recycled material composite. The refinery access panel is obviously down in the storage, where it shows your internal storage of 13 SCU, the recycled material composite that you will be creating, and the buttons to start the process. Press eject once to start it, and press auto eject to continue the process. Now, once it starts ejecting, you want to make sure you remove the SCU boxes as quick as you can, because if one is blocking that exit port, then you'll have to continue the process again from the panel. Once you're done extracting all the SCU from its internal storage, you could either rinse and repeat, do some more salvaging, or go back and sell. With a full refinery plus the full 26 SCU of the ship cargo, you could have 39 SCU of RMC. Send that stuff down and let's go sell. After an hour, you have yourself an easy 360K. And there you have it. That is salvaging in the Vulture from beginning to end. If this video helped you decide whether or not you wanted to start salvaging, let me know in the comments. It'd be great to know. I am Faded Tyrael. Until next time, you guys take care. Peace out.